Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to create a group on Facebook. If you want to create a group on Facebook, first of all go into your Facebook. Now go into your Facebook, and here you will see three lines at the right side top of the your screen. Now click on this, and now scroll down. Here you will see groups option. Now click on groups. Now you have to scroll aside, and here you will see create. Just click on create. Now name your group, as I want to name my group Android Hacks. Now add any cover photo here. Like this. Just add your cover photo and choose privacy. Now if you want to choose it public, you can public your group, or if you want to private your group, just private your group. If you private your group, only members can see who is in the group and what they post. And public group, anyone can see who is in the group and what they post. So if you want to public your group, just click on public and click on done. And now click on create group. So now you have to invite members to your group. You can choose invite everyone to your group. And click on done. So like this you can create your page on your Facebook account. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.